Eric Weber at Black Brothers Company, here to show you a basic laminating line to start laminating in-house. You need two forms of equipment to make this happen. First is a glue spreader. In this case today we're doing a single top, but this glue spreader can do top and bottom adhesive application. And the second form of equipment is a laminator, whether it be in this case a rotary press or a platen press. This is where you do your form of lamination to squeeze down that glue line. So in this line here, we do have a manual person feeding. We'll have manual people laying it up, but the glue spreader is doing all the work for me and applying the glue, and then the laminator is doing all the heavy lifting to squeeze that glue line down. So I'll have our operator here push the panel through. You will need a operator to push that panel. In this case right now, as you can tell, I'm getting an even glue line. What this does is it replaces the form of either spray or a person hand laying up the glue. As you can tell, I coated a whole 4x8 sheet of panel in seconds. We do have our 4x8 piece of laminate here. Again, you need operators to do this. Down it goes. You got full coverage here. And now next, I will be pushing it by hand into the nip section where it'll take it from there. In a rotary nip press, this does have a higher solids adhesive. It does depend on that adhesive, on how long you got to sit on the panel. Some cases it could be 2 to 4 hours. Other cases you need 24 hours of rest on this. So this will be dead stacked afterwards, meaning that you'll build your stack of panels on this. You'll put a little extra weight on top of that, and then you'll wait for that whole adhesive to cure. Now we're on our second board. Our feeder will throw it through here. So again, this is how we start into lamination. Everything's really manual right now besides the glue spreader and the laminator itself. We can add more onto these pieces after the fact. All these pieces of equipment that you see here can run from 4x8 all the way up to 5x12. 4x8, you can see, you can have one person feeding and 2 people laying up. Up to 5x12, those panels do get heavy. The laminate does get flimsy. We recommend at least 3 to 4 operators when handling those panels.